Hey guys, just going to do a super quick video on how to work with ACC users. I have a new workflow that I've built here, just some really basic one, manual start, CSV. I've got a simple loop here, we'll talk about that in a moment. But I just thought I'd just do something like a get on the users in ACC. We can start by just getting the account users, who's part of an account, run that. We can see that that returns all of the users, and we can see that we've got myself and we've got Adam as users, but I can also change that. Let's say I change that to get the project users, run that. That'll go and get the project users. That's for a specific project, or I could do even the roles themselves. So what project roles are there? And this might be to help you assign roles later. But if I go in there now, I can see the project roles, what there are, what their services are, what the name of them, their ID, group membership, all that sort of stuff. So that might be useful if I'm comparing who's available versus who's in there. If I look in here, I can see that I've got this project, and I've got, if I go back into the admin and go to my members, I can see there's 2 users there, so I might just remove Adam just for the time being. And what I'll do is I'll just connect up this CSV. This is just a CSV that I've just uploaded, email CSV. So let's run that one. And that's loaded that CSV. And we've got 3 email addresses from that CSV, nice and easy. Connect that up to the for loop. We can see the for loop here is iterating through the emails, and we are uploading an email. So in this case, I'm just setting it so that we've got some basic stuff. We're adding it to this project. All the users are going to be assigned to this company. Everyone's going to be given access to Docs as administrator, but I can change whatever I want in there. I can add different levels as well, so Docs and Build, and as well as Insights, or however I want to run that. But for the time being, I'll just add Docs and then what role I want to give them, and I'll just say Architect for now. But again, this can be all just calculated based on the spreadsheet and entered in, just like I'm doing here. But let's go ahead and run that. When we run that loop, what it's doing now is it's essentially just iterating through and uploading the users as needed. So if I go back into my ACC now, I'll see those users starting to populate. And depending on whether they've accessed before or what they've done, they will continually get more and more permissions added as they get added, and there's the final one there. So nice and simple. Those users have been added to the project, they've been added to roles, they've been added to everything we need. If we look in the project itself, let's go back to home, might go projects, and I might just go wrong hub. Here's my project, my members. You can see all of the members have all been added to TenTech. They've all been added as architects. They've all been granted permission to Docs. Very, very simple.